The microwave predicament, a common struggle. Let's face it, we've all been there. It's a universal experience that transcends cultures and kitchens. You open your microwave, hoping to heat up some leftovers. Maybe it's last night's lasagna or this morning's oatmeal. Instead, you're greeted by the remnants of meals past. Bits of food clinging to the walls, a splatter of sauce here, a chunk of cheese there, dried-on splatters and a lingering smell of last week's pizza sauce. It's like a culinary crime scene in there. It's not a pretty sight, and it certainly doesn't make your food taste any better. The thought of reheating your meal in that mess is unappetizing. Cleaning a microwave can feel like a daunting task. The grime seems to have a life of its own, resisting every attempt to be wiped away. Who wants to spend their precious time scrubbing away at stubborn grime? It's a chore that often gets pushed to the bottom of the to-do list. But what if I told you there's a better way? A method that doesn't involve harsh chemicals or endless scrubbing. A way to clean your microwave quickly and easily, without harsh chemicals or endless scrubbing. Imagine a solution that makes this common struggle a thing of the past. Stay tuned, because we're about to reveal the secret to a spotless microwave. Say goodbye to the grime and hello to a cleaner, fresher kitchen. Introducing the 5-minute miracle. Steam cleaning your microwave. Enter the 5-minute microwave cleaning hack. This simple yet effective method uses the power of steam to loosen and lift away even the most stubborn food particles. No more cringing at the sight of your microwave. No more enduring unpleasant odors. Just a fresh, clean microwave in minutes. This hack is so easy, you'll wonder why you haven't tried it before. All you need are a few common household items and 5 minutes to spare. Yes, you read that right, just 5 minutes. Banishing food splatters and lingering odors. Food splatters and lingering odors are the bane of every microwave owner's existence. They're unsightly, unpleasant, and can even affect the taste of your food. But with this 5-minute hack, you can say goodbye to these microwave woes for good. The steam generated during this cleaning process works wonders on caked-on food. It softens and loosens the particles, making them a breeze to wipe away. Plus, the natural deodorizing properties of lemon help to neutralize any lingering odors, leaving your microwave smelling fresh and clean. Your 5-minute cleaning arsenal, simple tools for a sparkling microwave. Ready to tackle that messy microwave? Here's what you'll need. A microwave-safe bowl or measuring cup, water, 1 lemon, sliced, and white vinegar, optional. That's it. No need for harsh chemicals or expensive cleaning products. These simple ingredients are all you need to achieve a sparkling clean microwave. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in this cleaning process. The water creates the steam that loosens food particles. The lemon acts as a natural deodorizer, while the vinegar, optional, adds extra cleaning power to tackle stubborn stains. Section 5. Witness the transformation. A sparkling clean microwave in minutes. Imagine having a microwave that looks brand new without spending hours scrubbing away stubborn stains and food splatters. Now for the fun part, witnessing the magic of this 5-minute hack firsthand. You won't believe how simple and effective this method is until you try it yourself. Simply follow these easy steps, and you'll have a sparkling clean microwave in no time. 1. Fill your microwave-safe bowl or measuring cup with water. Make sure to use enough water to create plenty of steam. 2. Add the lemon slices to the water. The lemon not only helps with cleaning but also leaves a fresh, citrusy scent. 3. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat on high for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the water boils and the microwave is steamy. The steam will loosen all the grime and food particles stuck to the walls. 4. Let the bowl sit in the microwave for another 2 minutes to allow the steam to work its magic. This step is crucial as it gives the steam time to penetrate and soften the dirt. 5. Carefully remove the bowl from the microwave. It will be hot. Use an oven mitt or a thick cloth to avoid burning yourself. Using a damp cloth or sponge, wipe down the inside of the microwave. The steam will have loosened all the grime, making it easy to wipe away. The loosened food particles should come off easily. You might be surprised at how effortlessly the dirt and stains disappear. Voila! Your microwave is now sparkling clean and free of any lingering food odors. Enjoy the fresh, clean scent and the satisfaction of a job well done. This simple hack not only saves you time but also keeps your microwave in top condition. Section 6. Effortless cleaning, exceptional results. Recapping the 5-minute hack. Let's recap the simplicity of this game-changing cleaning hack. 1. Combine water and lemon slices in a microwave-safe dish. 2. Microwave on high until steam fills the appliance. 3. Let the steam work its magic for a few minutes. 4. Wipe away loosened food particles with ease. That's it. 4 easy steps to a cleaner, fresher microwave. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals, just the power of steam and natural ingredients. Section 7. Spread the cleaning joy. Share this simple hack with everyone you know. Don't keep this amazing hack to yourself. Share it with your friends, family, and neighbors. Let them experience the joy of a clean microwave without the hassle. Spread the word and help everyone enjoy a fresher, cleaner cooking experience. Imagine a world where no one dreads cleaning their microwave. A world where the only thing lingering in the air after heating up your food is the delicious aroma of your meal. Let's make it happen, one clean microwave at a time. Section 8. Beyond the 5-minute hack, additional tips for a spotless microwave. Keeping your microwave spotless doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a few extra steps, you can maintain a clean and fresh microwave effortlessly. While the 5-minute steam cleaning hack is incredibly effective on its own, here are a few bonus tips to keep your microwave in tip-top shape. First, let's talk about stubborn stains. These can be a real headache, but there's a simple solution. For stubborn stains, add a tablespoon of white vinegar to the water before microwaving. The vinegar helps to break down tough, stuck-on food particles, making them easier to wipe away. This method is both natural and effective. Wipe down your microwave regularly to prevent food splatters from hardening. A quick wipe after each use can save you from a more intensive cleaning session later on. Consistency is key here. Use a microwave cover to minimize splatters in the first place. These covers are inexpensive and can be found in most kitchen stores. They act as a barrier, preventing food from splattering all over the interior of your microwave. Consider placing an open box of baking soda in your microwave to absorb odors between cleanings. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and can help keep your microwave smelling fresh. Just leave the box inside when the microwave is not in use. By incorporating these simple habits into your routine, you can ensure a consistently clean and fresh microwave. Not only will your microwave look better, but it will also function more efficiently. A clean microwave is a happy microwave, and these tips will help you achieve that with minimal effort. Section 9. A clean microwave, a happy kitchen. Enjoy a fresher cooking experience. A clean microwave is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It contributes to a healthier and more enjoyable cooking experience. By eliminating food particles and odors, you can ensure that your food tastes its best every time. So ditch the harsh chemicals and time-consuming scrubbing. Embrace the simplicity and effectiveness of the 5-minute microwave cleaning hack. Your taste buds and your nose will thank you. Section 10. Embrace the power of steam, effortless cleaning for a healthier home. The 5-minute microwave cleaning hack is just one example of how steam can be used for effortless and effective cleaning throughout your home. From ovens and stovetops to bathrooms and floors, steam can tackle even the toughest grime and grease, leaving your home sparkling clean and smelling fresh. So why not ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the power of steam? It's good for your home, your health, and the environment.